Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I have come with a new video. My new video is about lightening the dark neck. We will talk about how we can lighten our dark neck with the home remedies. First of all, we will talk about the causes of darkening of neck, and then we will talk about treatment of the lighten the dark neck. There are the 5 treatments. So if you only want to know the treatments, so you can go to the time I have described in the description box. So first of all, I will talk about the causes of the darkening of neck. Darkening of the neck can happen due to the various reasons such as excessive exposure to sunlight or as a symptom of intestinal or liver disorders. It can also be caused by hormonal changes or skin infections. Here are some of the causes of the dark skin neck. Number 1. Hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance can lead to an increase in the pigment melanin in the skin cells, which lead to the formation of dark patches on the neck. This condition is also known as hyperpigmentation. Number 2. Fungal infection. A specific type of fungal infection known as tinea varicella causes infection and flaking of the skin on your neck. The fungal infection can dry out and turn a dark brown color before the dry flakes begin to shed from the neck. Number 3. Sunburn. Excessive exposure to the harmful UVA and UVB rays of the sun can severely affect the skin tone of the neck. So now we will talk about the home remedies for dark neck. Darkening of the skin of the neck area is not a skin disease, but is an embarrassing problem all the same that affects the appearance of the person. The best way to lighten the skin tone of the neck region is by using natural and time-tested home remedies. So here are the home remedies. Number 1 is almond scrub. Procedure: take 5 to 8 almonds and grind them to make a thick paste. Add 1 teaspoon of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Mix well and apply it on the darkened areas of the neck. Let it infuse for 30 minutes and then remove it by massaging and washing it off with water. Repeat this therapy 3 to 4 times a week. You can also massage pure almond oil on the neck daily in order to improve blood circulation to the area. Number 2. Walnut scrub. Procedure: cut 8 to 10 walnuts roughly and add 2 teaspoons of sour curd to turn it into a dense paste. Apply this paste on the sides and back of your neck and scrub by massaging your neck for 10 minutes. Then leave it on your skin so that it dries for 30 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. Repeat it on a regular basis for 2 weeks for amazing results. Number 3. Oats scrub. Procedure: take 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground oats and pour 2 tablespoons of freshly pureed tomato to it to make a thick paste. Smear this paste on your skin and leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wet it with some water and scrub your neck in a gentle circular motion. Wash your neck with cold water and put moisturizer to the area. Repeat it twice a week for best results. Number 4. Baking soda. Procedure: make a thick paste by adding 3 parts of baking soda and 1 part of water in a glass bowl. Mix the contents of the vessel carefully and then apply the paste on the dark area of the neck. Let it dry for 10 minutes and then rinse off with water. Repeat this remedy 3 times a day to lighten a complexion of your neck within a few weeks. Number 5. Orange peel. Orange peel is an amazing ingredient for improving overall skin health because the peels actually contain a higher amount of vitamin C compared to the fruit. Vitamin C is an essential compound for lightening the skin tone. Dried orange peel powder acts as a natural bleach for skin lightening at home, which helps in correcting uneven skin tone and dark patches on the neck. Procedure: dry some orange peel in the sun and Then grind them in a food processor to make a smooth powder. Mix 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder with 2 to 3 teaspoons of whole milk and mix it to form a heavy paste. Apply this paste on the darkened area of the neck. Allow it to dry for 30 minutes and wash it off with cold water while massaging your neck. Repeat this remedy daily for 2 weeks to see a noticeable improvement. So, you must try this all remedies which you are available at your home. Try it on your neck and comments that whatever you have results on your neck. So if you like the video, please share it with your family members and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Allah Hafiz.